Today we are looking at Galileo, a tool that allows you to build user interfaces from a text prompt. One of the things I'm most excited about with AI is the democratization of access to tools that previously were for highly skilled or highly technical people. User interface design is a great example. So many of the projects that we create these days are either applications or websites, that tools that make it easier to build those things could be fundamentally expanding in who can do what. Today we're looking at a tool called Galileo that promises a text-to-UI and image-to-UI design experience. You can get started right away without signing in, but to have a sense of what options there is a free plan that has 200 credits per month, which they say is about 20 design generations and edits. This is a fairly generous free plan, I have to say, but for $19 a month, you can go up to 1,200 credits, which is around 120 design generations, plus more of things like Figma exports, etc. Let's go back to the main experience and see how far we get before they have us sign up. Let's try something simple to start. A landing page for an AI tool that lets people make custom Pokemon cards as GIFs. Let's generate and see what comes up. And there we are hit up with the sign in. Signing in now, claiming NLW as always. Annoying 4-character minimum, and we're going to try for free. So let's try this again. A landing page for an AI tool to make custom Pokemon cards as GIFs. Let's see what comes back. That's been working for about 30 seconds or so, just to give you a sense. And here we are somewhere between 45 seconds and a minute with the first versions coming up. It gives us 3 variants. Variant 1 includes a vibrant Start Designing button, sections describing the creation process, samples of custom cards and user testimonials, finished with a footer and contact for social links. Variant 2 emphasizes the playful theme with a fun Start Designing button. Variant 3 showcases a bold Start Designing button, etc., etc., etc. I like the Start Designing button right up top. I like how it works. In the reviews, you can zoom in and look. And so once we've gotten something that we like, we have a couple options. If we're ready, we can just export it to Figma. Design copy to your clipboard. You may now paste it in Figma. Create a new design file. Paste here. Allow. And boom. And now if we're ready, we can go and actually edit it in Figma, changing anything we need to. Now, the other option is we can edit directly in Galileo. I like the benefits section over here. So let's edit our first design and say, include a section that lists the benefits of the service. In about 30 seconds, we have the updated design. We now have the Why Choose Us section. Let's try to edit one more time and see how precise it can get, and see if we can replace or switch the order of Why Choose Us and how it works. Switch the order of the Why Choose Us and how it works sections. Now, once again, about 30 seconds later, it was able to successfully do that. Keep in mind here that none of this is anything that a designer couldn't have done incredibly easy in Figma. But without knowing any custom tool like Figma, I was able to just describe the change that I want and get it. Now, there are a couple other things that we can do. We can edit the theme. First of all, we can change it to dark. We can update the fonts, change the corner radius, and try a yellow color scheme. Let's apply this new theme. So now we have a dark theme. We've shifted the color scheme to yellow, obviously Pikachu-esque. And we've changed the font to Space Grotesque. And that is a quick look at how Galileo Text to UI works. Back with another tutorial soon.